we don't fall for these tactics. These are sneaky little tactics that the smart money does to pick your pocket. Now, they don't come out and move the stock, $15 in 15 minutes. They don't do that because it would scare everybody. Nobody would participate. But they have figured out a way to go down, up, just enough to get you excited about it and think that you can spot a pattern and follow along. Now, when I say spot a pattern, there's a lot of price action, but there's also 4 patterns that we pay attention to that you will learn. You will learn how to read these 4 patterns. These 4 patterns are the 555, the moving average bounce, the H pattern, and the slingshot gap. I'm talking about the slingshot gap right now, and you can see the drawing here. It's my favorite setup. Why is it my favorite setup? Because it's so easy to see. It has such a high probability of success, and it happens faster. In my opinion, the move is quicker, which means I get paid faster.